In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can actually lock your TikTok app so you can have, privacy while using your TikTok app. Now, simply open your app store and then go ahead and search for app lock. So you are going to see a bunch of options because there are different type of options. But this app that you can see over here, which is App Lock Sailing Lab. So let me click on it. So you can see it's App Lock Apps Sailing Lab. This is actually the best app that you can actually use. So install this app on your device. Now, if you find any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey. Now, let's wait for it to finish installing. Now, once it's done installing, simply click on open. It's going to load up a little bit. Once it's done loading up, it's going to ask you for a pattern. So provide a pattern. So I'm going to be using this pattern. Make sure that this pattern you are using is not something you are going to easily forget. Now you have to confirm your pattern. So do it again for the second time. Now it's going to ask you for a lucky number. This lucky number is just like, any number that you know that, okay, you're not going to forget, because whenever you forget your pattern or your password, they're going to ask you for this lucky number. So I'm going to be using something that is very easy. So I'll be using 5050 as my lucky number. So now the app is actually open. So what I have to do, I have to unselect all these other applications and leave just TikTok selected, because I'm trying to lock my TikTok app. I'm not trying to lock any other app. So I'm going to make sure just TikTok is selected. Now we click on one tap lock at the bottom. So once I click on this, it's going to ask me for 3 permissions. So I'm going to click on this first one. You can see app lock in here, turn it on. Then I'll click on the second one. I will also activate app lock. Then we move to the last one. So once I click on it, I click on allow, and that's it. Now once you see these ads displaying on your screen, just click on the cancel icon. So once I click on the cancel icon, it's going to remove it from my screen. Now this app is fully open. As you can see, the interface is open. Now once I click on app lock, normally it's going to play ad because this app is free. So it's going to be showing ads. But whenever you see ads on your screen, just wait for it to finish playing and then cancel the ads. Now, as you can see, the interface is showing me the app that is actually locked. You can see my TikTok is locked now. So if I want to unlock it, I can easily unlock it through this section as well. But I don't want to unlock it. So let me show you guys that it's actually working. So I'm going to open my TikTok. You can actually see that my TikTok is asking me for my fingerprint, or I should provide a pattern. So if I'm to provide my pattern, it's going to open my TikTok app. So it's just like that. So if you want to protect your TikTok privacy, you don't want your friends to just take your phone and be accessing your TikTok, your chats and stuff like that, then you can use this app that I just showed you guys to get that done. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.